Linking your bank account to Pinnacle Bank is a straightforward process that allows for easier management of your finances. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the linking process, collect necessary information such as your bank account number, routing number, and any personal identification details required for verification. Step 2. Log into your Pinnacle Bank account. Visit the Pinnacle Bank website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your external bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any linking issues. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and submit your request. You may need to verify the connection through a small test deposit or by answering security questions. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Pinnacle Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.